Hi, this is Scott Dorn. I'm with Spectrum Industries. What you're looking at here is our fantastic new Lectern. It is the Freedom Pro. It is shown with the Extron TLP Pro 835C. It is a brand new product from Extron that they've rolled out over the last few weeks, and we're thankful that they trusted us to show it here at InfoComm 2026. Your product, your Lectern, can be configured your way. So we're happy to provide cutouts for this solution or others that you might have for room control solutions. It is height adjustable, so you can go from sit to stand at the push of a button. It's also ADA compliant, wheelchair accessible, so we want it to be a universal solution for any user. It features a built-in rack cabinet that provides security for all of your rack-mounted equipment. That rack cube can actually be sent separately, so you can integrate and populate your rack solutions, be able to take those out to the job site in mass and just drop those into the Lectern on site. So it'll make deployment a heck of a lot easier. On the audience side, you'll notice that there is a wonderful acrylic logo panel. So it can be accented with a laminate panel, as you see here, or a metal panel. That is up to your choice. It's configure your way. We're thankful for Indiana University for being able to allow us to feature their logo and show it here at InfoComm. Cody's going to demonstrate the quick accessibility for the back of the Lectern. So as you can see, for integration, for setup, and for troubleshooting, you have complete and total access to the back of the Lectern. If you need to get into class, get that Lectern and get that control system up and running, you can do it in a heartbeat. It also is secure, so you can lock that and get that back panel in place and secure and out of the way, so you don't have students accessing it at any point in time. It's available mobile or stationary, available in hundreds of color combinations, and you can find out more about the Freedom Pro Lectern at our website, www.spectrumfurniture.com.